in Berlin. We are doing the Day of Nature with GEO, which is the ecology nature magazine in Germany.
Tonight we're going to Brodowin, which is an hour from Berlin, for 2 days of field science, camping. It's a whole sort of field festival, and we're showing off Bento lab and showing how people can use it for field research. That should be very exciting. Woo! But first, a little bit of Berlin sightseeing.
Wochenend und Sonnenschein und dann mit dir im Wald allein. Weiter brauch ich nichts zum Glücklichsein. Wochenend und Sonnenschein.
It's Saturday, we're in the eco village. Our stand is there, and yeah, it'll be a whole day of biodiversity talk and citizen science together with GEO-Magazine here at this eco village festival. I think it's going to be a very tough day. Christoph, what's Geo Nature Day?
Geo Nature Day is a big citizen science event in Germany where about 11 to 15,000 people go out into the nature close to their homes and see what's growing, what's living there. They collect the data and feed them into a special app where so we can see the state of biodiversity here in Germany.
Great. And where are we here in Brodowin?
It's an ecological farm, an organic farm,
Yes.
one of the biggest in Germany and one of the most advanced in terms of being very serious about growing organic. No pesticides for the last 30 years and no artificial fertilizer or anything. And this shows. This is an area where you can have healthy farming and a healthy nature.
Okay, so that was Geo Day of Nature. What did you think?
Oh, it was fantastic. It was so exciting to see all the different kinds of mushrooms they collected.
Right? And also the whole setting, the farm and the bugs and everything.
Yeah, it was such a beautiful space to be.
Any challenges doing gel electrophoresis in this
Well,
space?
as you will have seen, the gel did not go as planned. I was expecting to use a microwave, which turned out there wasn't. I got to test out using the induction hob. So, I'm trying to make a agarose gel on a stove. And it's a lesson for us that we always need a backup pre-made gel.
Anything else? Good conversations?
We met a super cool guy that wants to do kind of set up fungal DNA barcoding in this part of Germany, so that will be really interesting to see how that collaboration goes.
I had some really great conversations with science teachers in the area
Yeah.
and kids, of course. There's always
mega precocious 10-year-old that was asking all kinds of detailed questions about cloning, and you just think,
You're very ahead of the game.
where, how, wow.
Yeah, maybe finally we should just say thank you to GEO-Magazine.
We had such an amazing time.
That's right. And
we'll see you next year.
we're looking forward to the next Nature Day.
Am Stand der Meierei und ich wünsche dann ganz viel Spaß hier bei uns auf dem Berliner Hochfest und vielen Dank